If we had a majority in the Senate, you would know more about Benghazi than you do today, because I'd be a chairman of a committee.
That's right.
Not the ranking member. If we'd had one more senator back in 2009, there would have been no Obamacare. If we'd had control of the Senate, we could help our House colleagues with the IRS investigation. A Republican-controlled Senate is within reach. Obamacare is an albatross around our Democratic colleagues' neck in 2014, and we need to be pushing the flaws in this bill, trying to find a better way for the American people. And Democrats are going to break next year.
So you do feel good about 2014?
Oh, my God. If Hillary Clinton's the nominee in 2016, she's likely to be. Here's what you say to her. This is the third term of Obama. She owns the foreign policy of Barack Obama, which is failing all over the world. Israel is under siege. The Mideast is in flames. Domestically, the economy is in the tank. You can't create a job in America after 8 years of Obama. You want 4 more years of the same. If we get a good conservative nominee, right of center, who can talk to people in an intelligent way and grow the party and get our Hispanic friends back on board, which I think they will be over time, then we can win the White House in 2016.
Who do you think that is? Is that Marco Rubio?
I think you got a lot of good choices. Jeb Bush could win Florida. Chris Christie could win. You got governors like Walker. You got Bobby Jindal. We've got a pretty talented group of governors out there, and who have brought change to their states. The guy in Michigan made it a right-to-work state. My God, what an accomplishment.
It sure was.
I'm actually bullish on the Republican Party. President Obama has done more for our fortunes than we have ourselves.
Yeah, I mean,
unfortunately, at the expense of the country.
It'll collapse under the weight of themselves, I think.